Alright, so I got some chicken wings that I already rinsed and cleaned off. And I'm about to season them and I'm going to put them in the air fryer. So we got some garlic powder. Which you can never have too much garlic. And we got some lemon pepper. Black pepper. What else? Some garlic salt. Then we got some onion powder. Which you can never have too much onion powder either. And then we're gonna add a little Old Bay. Because you can never have too much of that. And then the thing about Old Bay, I think it has celery salt in it, so I think that's what be doing it for me. I like that celery salt. What else? I think that's pretty much it. That's enough seasoning. We put them in the air fryer. If you're not frying chicken, you really don't need that much seasoning. Because if you, I'm gonna use some Tony's. If you baking it or putting in the air fryer, the seasoning is not being disguised by flour. But I think that's all I'm put in there. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna just mix it up with my hand. And I always put my seasoning in there first and then mix it up. And then if it look like it need a little bit more, then I just add more. But these look pretty good. Because you don't want them to be too salty. Because you're tasting the meat directly if you put them in the air fryer. You know, I'm not putting no flour on them. Because when I fry chicken, you gotta like over season them because the flour be covering up all that flavor. Even though you add flour to your, even though you add seasoning to your flour, it still be, you know, you gotta season it real good. So they looking pretty good, I guess. I don't want to make it too salty. All right, so let me wash my hand. I be forgetting, but I put like a few in here. One more, cause I'm only gonna do 2 batches, cause I ain't got time to do. Cause it's not that big air fryer. This is like big enough for like a small family, but I don't have the big one. So we're gonna press the chicken button and say 25 minutes. So we're gonna let that do its job, and then halfway through we're gonna come through and shake them up so they're not sticking to the bottom. You know what I mean? forgot what I came in here for, but they ain't even got shit. I ain't got no cleaning supplies. But it was something I was coming up in here for. Now I can't even remember. But even if I did remember, they ain't got it. I probably need some more aluminum sheets. But, I'm gonna go to a different. Hey y'all, it is Vlogmas Day 7 and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I just left Dollar Tree. That Dollar Tree didn't have nothing. I said I was gonna go to another Dollar Tree, but I really don't feel like going today, so I might wait to go to like tomorrow or something. But I don't know if they ain't getting no shipments in or what, but they ain't really have nothing. They didn't have nothing. So, I'm on my way to my mom's house right now. And I'm not about to do nothing over there. My dryer is messed up, so I have to bring my clothes over here. Why are these people honking and shit? I have to bring my clothes over here to dry them because there's a piece in my dryer that's missing. And I need to order off Amazon. Because my dryer works. It's just the sensor that lets you know that the door is closed is broke. So it won't turn on. Because it thinks the door is open. But the door is actually closed. So I need to order that. Because I'm tired of bringing these clothes over here. And if you didn't know, hi, my name is Procrastination. Because I'm a procrastinator. And then I just keep putting it off. But then when it's time for me to actually wash and dry clothes, I'll be like, why the fuck haven't I ordered that piece? You know. But yeah, that's about it for right now. So I'm trying to get a little bit more footage before I upload this because I'm kind of behind. So it is December 7th. So I'm actually kind of hungry, but I don't know what I want. I kind of want some tacos from the taco truck, but I don't know. Cause I only like to go to the taco truck when there's certain people there because everybody don't be cooking the tacos the same. It's like, let me think. Probably I like to go around 6 p.m. because that's when the people that I like be cooking. Because every other time I go, they don't be making my tacos right. I like the meat juicy. I like a lot of cheese and onions and cilantro. And I'm a start cussing ass. So they be stingy with the limes. Like, my nigga, limes don't even cost that much. It's a store right here. The limes are fucking 10 for $1, and y'all motherfuckers don't want to give us no limes. Like, the limes are 10 for $1, and they be stingy with limes. Like, okay, if I'm getting 3 tacos, I need to cut a slice of lime for each taco. You're not finna give me one slice of lime and I gotta squeeze that shit on all 3 motherfucking tacos. Cause I like to squeeze it on the taco before I eat it, and then I like to squeeze it on all the tacos, and then I like to squeeze it before every bite. So my nigga, I need. And half the time when I go to that taco truck, it's not close to my house, so it ain't like I could go back home. It ain't like I'll be like, oh, I got limes at home, I can use my limes at home. No, I'll be out and about. And if I'm paying for my tacos that come with limes, bitch, I want the limes too. But yeah. Bye, y'all.